Financial Plan. Introduction. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you the important knowledge on financial literacy that we need to know as a person. No matter how you are, there is one thing that remains relevant. Either you work for money or money works for you. As per the statistics, 7 out of 10 people above 60 years old in the world depends on Social Security scheme like EPF, old age pension, insurance as their primary source of income. This is because there is no financial plan. Financial freedom is not a privilege. It is a skills, strategy, discipline, and most importantly, it is a decision. Nobody is getting rich by chance. In this videos, I will share some of the most important financial tips/strategies that will give real power to your life. Strategies that works regardless of how old you are or from where do you start. In this video, we will develop a practical financial plan. 5 rule or strategies. Number 1. Lived on 70% of income, e.g. 70 is 70% of 100. If you cannot live on 70% of your income, you definitely cannot live on 120%. Financial freedom is a matter of decision. What you decide today will build your legacy for tomorrow. My recommendation is to take a decision to spend wisely. List all your expenditure and make a decision to spend only 70% of your income from today. Number 2. Save and grow. Save your 30% of your income in banks, IDCS. It does not matter how much you save, but how disciplined you are in saving your money. Discipline is the bridge between your goal and the results. Number 3. Study money like your life depends on it. If you want to become a doctor, you have to study the language of a doctor. Similarly, an IS officer, engineer, businessman, politician, etc. No one is teaching money in school. No one is teaching you about compound interest, insurance, inflation. No one is teaching you that credit card is not money. No one is teaching that the greatest enemy of financial freedom is not lack of money but lack of financial knowledge. You can learn at any age, whether you are in your 20, 30, 50, and 60. My recommendation is at least learn one financial term a week, like the term tax, insurance, inflation, loan, saving, etc. Take a decision and action from today. Number 4. Plan your money before it leaves you. Financial freedom or getting rich does not begin with big inheritance or big income, but it began with a notebook that you make a plan for your money. Know how much money is coming to your pocket and how much money is going out from your pocket. Take a decision and says, I am in charge. I am the commander-in-chief of my money, and you will see a difference and change. Otherwise, your money will leave you. Number 5. Keeping personal financial records. Audit your spending. If you don't know how much is coming in and how much is going out, you are not in charge. Take a decision today. Grab a notebook and pen. Write down all your income, earning, and your spending, and see the difference, and you will see the change in a few months' time. Conclusion. Ask yourself, do I control my money or do money control me? People always thought that getting a good job will give financial freedom, but in reality, it is not. The most important thing to remember, it does not matter how much you earn, but what you do with it, i.e. management of your money. Learn to manage even a little if want to have more. True financial wealth is a matter of decision, discipline, action. You can have 1 crore, but lose it within 1 year, and you can have a small amount of money, but you can build a legacy. See you in the next video.